Horses out while Yellow Art jumps awkward. We have Jet Setter Slim past the begin, moving up. Ako ngayon, Nerori outside. Hello, hello, Canadian girl. Then comes Security Rose, then followed by Zerjeboy. Alexis Touch Mobile also moving up. Work of Horta, work the way just in time, and a long way back to Pagano. And going along for the first turn, we have hello, hello. By our length, ako ngayon in second. Jet Setter Slim moving up. Danori inside to take third. 2 lengths away in fourth. Canadian girl. Alexis Touch comes next. Work of Horta. Danori inside now is Mobile. And on the outside, Sergio Boy just in time. Security Rose. Work the weight, and Pagano still racing in last. Now we have Jet Setter Slim takes the lead. Hello, hello is on the outside. Second, Alexis Touch. Canadian girl, ako ngayon. Mobile now racing in 6. Work of Horta. Sergio Boy, we have Jet Setter Slim followed by hello, hello. Down on the inside is Alexis Touch. Moving up by the fourth is Mobile. As they come down to the last 150. And it's still Jet Setter Slim by the lane, get on the outside. Alexis Touch Mobile in third position. Jet Setter Slim, Alexis Touch Mobile is on the outside. It's now Alexis Touch Mobile is on the outside. And finally Mobile, Alexis Touch, Jet Setter Slim. Then comes Sergio Boy, number 2, just in time.
9. Hello, hello.